Paano ba kalimutan ka? Masaya ka na ba ngayon sa bago mo? Nabibigay ba niya yung mga bagay na hindi ko kayang ibigay sa'yo? Nagagawa niya ba yung mga bagay na dinadaing mo? Nahanap mo na ba yung sinasabi mong panghabang buhay mo? Ako ito, 3 taon na, pero hulog na hulog pa din sa'yo. Paano ko ba naman kasi lilimutin yung taong minsan kong ginawang mundo? Habang nakangiti ka sa mga yakap niya, minsan ba naisip mo ako? Sa tuwing magkahawa kayo ng kamay, minsan ba iniisip mo kung kamusta na ako? Pero siguro tama nga na ang 3 taon na masaya ka at ako ay miserable. Kahit hindi ko na narinig yung dahilan kung bakit hindi na natin maibabalik yun dati. Salamat sa panahon na ibinigay mo para magkaroon ng tayo. Bigyan mo pa ako ng konting panahon pa. Maugagawa ko din maging masaya para sa'yo. My love, it's true that sometimes we waste so much of our time looking for answers for questions na hindi na rin naman talaga masasagot. Kasi we wanted closure. We wanted to know kung bakit tayo iniwan. We wanted to know why we feel like unworthy tayo. Gusto natin silang tanongin na, what's wrong with me? Anong meron sa kanya na wala ako? We wanted answer for all those questions. Knowing na there may never come a day that those will be answered. My love, wala silang pananagutan para sagutin yung mga tanong na yan. They are not responsible to answer those questions. They may have shared a portion of their lives with you, pero that doesn't mean they became responsible for you. So kung meron ka mga tanong na hindi pa masagot ng ex mo, even when tinanong mo na siya, tinanong mo yung mga kaibigan niya, tinanong mo yung mga people that's closest to you guys, still wala ka pa ring sagot. Take it as a hint. Take it as a cue. Move on. Without that thing we call closure. Kasi sometimes, masisisi mo yung tao for hurting you. Pero kapag lumipas na yung panahon and you're still hurting, ang sisihin mo na yung sarili mo. Again, love, hindi lahat ng tanong natin masasagot. Certainly not by those people who were scared, coward enough to leave us behind without any explanation. Hindi nila to ginawa before because they don't have the stomach for it. So why would you think they would bother to do it today? Diba? Bakit mo iisiping may time sila, may will sila, or even sense of responsibility to give it to you today? Kung dati nga ng malaki yung pananagutan nila to whatever it is that you feel, they didn't even bother thinking twice of telling you as to why they are leaving. They just left. Umalis na lang sila. If there's someone you owe anything to, it's yourself. You owe it to yourself to give yourself a chance to be happy again. You owe it to yourself to believe in love again. My love, kapag ang tao ayaw nang mag-explain, ayaw kang kausapin, at nawala na lang bigla, It is more than enough to tell yourself, it's over. Whether I like it or not, whether I agree with it or not, it is over. And there's nothing left for me to do than just move on. Kasi yun yung buhay. There's no going back. There's only moving forward. Claro? Claro.